crashing.
Badri, brother.
Stress करके आए, don't stress.
Director साहब. हाँ.
ऐसी डेट नाइट आई डोंट थिंक सो कि किसी ने भी मेरे लिए प्रिपेयर की है. This is so nice. This is so cool.
So it may look like we are here for a cook-off, but in fact, we are not. We are here to cook something and then plan something for someone.
And that someone is sad man Sadhika.
Sad man who's actually happy, but after seeing our dates, she will be sad.
I've always been like the planner, and now Rohit and Akshay are planning a date for me.
When was the last time you've been so romantic and planned a date for someone?
Even with all the eye contact that I've done, it just the eye contact didn't see COVID happening. So I'd just like to say that I've not planned a date in the longest time. Once I organized an entire movie night and a movie evening on Valentine's Day, a movie evening after that a setup on my ghar ka terrace with the guitar and a mat, and then she canned the plan actually.
Dude, Akshay ki cut gayi. Hashtag don't put any effort into any date.
You know what? If they're going to can only, why plan only?
Yeah.
How well do you know Sadhika?
I know Sadhika, I think, pretty well. And I know her relationship with films and, with Bollywood and stuff like that.
I know Sadhika, like she's a good friend and all, man. Like, but I don't know all this about her movies, like likes and dislikes and all.
They know me, but they don't know me a lot.
What does she like? Long walks or long drives?
Long drive.
Drives.
Long walks.
Okay. So what will she like? Netflix and chill or going out?
I think going out.
I think Netflix and chill.
Netflix and chill.
What's her favorite alcoholic drink?
Her favorite
Whiskey.
Whiskey.
My favorite alcoholic drink is beer.
What is your ideal date?
Generally, city mein and all, ideal date would be best film lagao, popcorn lao, maybe cook a little food and just chill in pajamas.
Ideal date? Yeah, if we're traveling and all, maybe doing some jet skiing or some shit, man. And then getting wasted.
Buddy, I swear, man, like if Sadhika comes and says, I didn't like any of your dates, we're going to be like, okay, Sadhika, then can you please excuse us?
We were doing it for each other.
Yeah, so everything is planned. Yeah. Main thing is that Rohit Bhattacharya and I have been given more budget than we've ever gotten in our pocket money, which is 6,000 rupees to organize a date for Sadhika. And I've decided to make Maggie. You can calculate.
And now we're gonna start with the cooking bit. After that, we're gonna go over to the setting up the place bit.
एक second. हाँ कॉस्ट्यूम क्या फोमो हो रहा है? अरे यार.
1, 2, 3. I'm making a chicken burger, man.
कितना बात करेगा बिना खाना बनाने वाला?
Dude, food cooks itself when Akshay talks because it's just like, please get me out of here, man.
I didn't know that. I was like, at least Maggie is very difficult to go wrong with. So Sadhika, please accept this with all my heart. बहुत पानी डाल दिया यार मैंने. Dude, तू थोड़ा टमाटर प्याज काट रहा है ना, मेरे को भी दे देना.
I think cooking together is fun if you have a free day. If you're working that day, then it'll turn into a disaster because both of you are pissed off probably. Okay, I'm done. I can't take
एक bite ले और मेरे को बता कि it sucks. I mean, don't tell me it sucks if it doesn't.
Oh, go man.
It's so good. Sadhika is coming for a date, but at the end I think that she will just hate both of the things that we have organized. But that's okay, I will look into Rohit's eyes and then we will just have a date with each other. He might look like my brother, but he is not it. He is my lovely friend.
So I'm gonna do a few things that kind of bring out the natural green organic vibe of how I like to, and इसको मैं wall पे डालूंगा I've got some fairy freaking lights. Cause who doesn't like fairy lights, man? These flowers, okay. I got some LED balloons.
People have these perceptions of dates that should all look very beautiful and should be comfortable. The first thing that should catch your eye is the films posters. Then I'm going to lay out the rug. Then I'm going to put some fairy lights. You're going to roll the whole thing.
Yes.
Okay.
So did you take like any inspiration?
No, I didn't. What I know that Sadhika and my common interest, which is like cinema, is one. And that is why it's the main theme of my date is cinema. Dev Anand Saab. Respect.
I think this is good practice for me, you know, how not to go about it, you know what I mean?
है अपना दिल तो आवारा ना जाने किस पे आएगा. Alright, cool. Now I'm getting into the. So I'll just take. Oh, pen!
This looks bad, dude.
Wow, it's looking so good though, yaar.
I feel like I'm in a jungle. Some chick is gonna come out of the lake.
Now let me think a little bit.
The next order of business, fairy lights, man.
What are you doing?
ये earphones वाला scene हो गया. ये मैं क्या करूं?
Okay.
Dude, should I just put it on Sadhika's head when she comes? Like a crown. What do I help, yaar? How is it looking? Is it looking
What do you
beautiful or
think? I don't think you need to go that far to look.
नहीं, ये क्या है? स्तुति तो हंस कैसे रहे हो यार?
Ready, you better hold me back. Do you think I'm scared? Don't make me laugh.
इसको कैसे निकाल?
Want some action? I told you that. It's now or never. You better hold me back.
This is my final wall, and I'm gonna move on to my next order of business. These LED balloons.
इसके बाद मैं रग लगाऊंगा. Yeah, these fairy lights can be much better. I've written her chotu cards. Abhi, I hope in the light will go a little off and stuff and it'll look. What the hell? That fell or what? So bad that you guys didn't even notice, man.
There's a little surprise thing, which Akshay doesn't know about, is that I'm gonna make Sadhika a cocktail. So let's go.
कॉकटेल बना रहा है बताया नहीं किसी ने.
यार सुन मेरे लिए कॉकटेल बना दे एक ब्रो.
सही है यार.
भाई मैं नींबू पानी बना दूं. नींबू पानी बना दूं मैं. अब तो हाँ ठीक है बन गया क्या? इसके ऊपर अब मैं गार्निशिंग डालूंगा. एक सेकंड.
I'm very nervous for them that they have to do this, but so nice and sweet of them to do this.
Didn't even cross my mind. Any day could ever be this fine. There couldn't be a better time. All that I can see is sunshine.
ये ऐसी डेट नाइट आई डोंट थिंक सो सो कि किसी ने भी मेरे लिए प्रिपेयर की है. आई थिंक सो. दिस इज़ वेरी लवली. द ऑम्बियंस ऐसे टाइप का वो क्रिएट किया है कि अच्छा यहाँ पे दो लोग मिलके बात कर सकते हैं. ऑल्दो आई वुड नेवर प्रेफर अ सेटिंग वेयर इन आई एम टॉकिंग टू समबडी लाइक हाँ. सो दिस इज माई ओपिनियन, सो डोंट जज मी. ओके. इंसेन. ये बहुत टेस्टी बर्गर है. दिस इज अमेजिंग. आई कैन बिलीव कि अक्षय और रोहित दोनों में से किसी ने ये बर्गर बनाया. दिस इज ऑल्सो नाइस. इस डेट में खाना बहुत बढ़िया है. फूड वाइज वेरी नाइस. सेटिंग वाइज एक्सेप्ट फॉर द बलून एवरीथिंग वर्क्स एंड इट्स लाइक अ कोजी. इसे इंटीमेट इसे वाला कि ओ आओ चलो बातें करें. सो आई एम लकी इनफ कि आज मुझे दो डेट्स मिलेंगी. तो फर्स्ट आई विल जस्ट गो टू द सेकंड डेट एंड डिसाइड कि किसका कौन सा है.
Be here with you.
मैगी हटा दे भाई, 2 मिनट लगेंगे. मैगी हटा दे, कौन खाएगा?
Oh nice, this is so nice. Some weird kind of, is this Maggie and Lays? तो मुझे बहुत बॉलीवुड का शौक है एंड देर आर सो मेनी पोस्टर्स एंड देर इज पॉपकॉर्न. दिस आई एम श्योर देर बी अ मूवी हियर. सम शाहरुख फिल्म जो प्ले हो रही होगी एंड देर इज अ नोट सेइंग for Sadhika also. So it's kind of very beautiful and I'm really happy by both the dates now because इतना सारा दिमाग लगा के कुछ किया है यार. Nobody has done that for me. So I'm happy. Okay, let me open it. Hi Sadhika. Have set up a nice comfy date for one of the oh my god, one of the sweetest and amazing people I know. Hope you enjoyed it and dil. Oh, this is handwritten notes are like so underrated, I think. Hi Sadhika, writing this second note to tell you the other so this guy who's not even here has made me laugh already. Okay, writing this second note to tell you that the other guy's date suck. Hope you feel the same. Okay, no, it doesn't suck. First of all, why are you calling it the other guy? Okay, please don't be jealous already. Hi Sadhika, I wanted to get beers instead of whiskey. Is there any whiskey?
Whiskey उधर है. भूल गया मैं.
Okay, so this guy has forgotten the whiskey only and he has written a note on whiskey. Hi Sadhika. This is Humme. Hi Sadhika. Hi Sadhika. Hi Sadhika. Hey Sadhika. Just wanted to say that you deserve the best. This might not be it, but at least it's better than the other. Bang on जिसने भी ये डेट बनाई है. I'm just gonna go eat the food now. Okay? Because already it's done बहुत. Okay, Maggie is like मतलब ये स्कूल वाला मैगी हो गया है अब कि लंच में पैक था बहुत दिन से. अगर मैगी स्क्रू अप कर दी ना किसी ने.
पॉपकॉर्न खा ले.
I can't say a lot on food because it's just Maggie. So, but kudos man. So, दोनों ही अक्षय और रोहित ने बहुत एफर्ट किया. I'm confused अब because इससे मुझे दिल नहीं तोड़ना फर्स्ट डेट पे. That's not who I am. Okay, where are my dates? Hello, hi.
Let yourself go. You always come around looking so uptight.
So Sadhika, which date wins and why?
I'll just like give 3 bifurcations. ठीक है. One is the effort, one is the ambience, and one is the food. ठीक है. Food and drinks, beverages. So effort wise 10 on 10 to both the dates I think because like they've put in their asses off, they've worked hard for this and they've just tried to create some vibe in this studio. Then ambience, this one is 10. This ambience is great for me, works awesome. Bollywood filmy type का ऐसे. ठीक है. This ambience is laughing already because I think it says this ambience is 7. बिकॉज नॉट बिकॉज बट ऐसे मतलब उसके कंपेयर में बस और कोई रीज़न नहीं है. एंड देन फूड वाइज दिस इज 10 on 10 bang on. And food wise this one is 8. Akshay 1. Akshay 1.
Are you sure? I was ready to fall. No way.
मैं घर जा
No,
रहा
no,
हूँ.
I think so. This is just my personal वो कि मेरे लिए वाइब बहुत मैटर करता है यार कि इस वाइब में मजे कर पाएंगे या नहीं, इस वाइब में बात हो पाएगी या नहीं, या इस वाइब या
I want your burger. I want that burger back. I didn't even get one bite of that burger, man. What a good.
बट नो ना अमेजिंग बर्गर यार. मतलब मैंने यार पूरा खा लिया और मैं ड्रिंक भी पूरी.
तो फिर देना मार्क्स.
So it's
Like
amazing.
Kabir Khan at the end of the I'll chuck it, yeah.
So I'm just gonna say, somebody won. Not the best man, but somebody won.
I agree.
Whatever,
यार
dude.
तुम लोग
सारे
दोस्तों के बीच में
नहीं रोहित और अक्षय बहुत आते हैं, ये लोग
नहीं, मुझे नहीं जाना तेरे साथ. मुझे नहीं खाना तेरा घटिया. कि बहुत. I hope you guys enjoy your married life together.
Come on man, रोहित
नहीं.
Okay, if you guys want कि ये दोनों एक डेट पे जाएं तो प्लीज कमेंट्स में लिख देना. I had a lone dates amazing. And
Sorry,
like,
Sanika.
share, subscribe and keep watching Okay Tested. There is an app, please उसको डाउनलोड कर लेना. वहाँ पे एक्सक्लूसिव किस भी मिल सकता है. You never know.
Banta, come on man, come on, one.
When they say Rohit B, I don't know which one it will be. Biswas or my Bhattacharya ji. I can't understand what I am singing, but hopefully by this end I will be winning.
Very good, very good.
Cooking and singing is a part of our life. In life we have a lot of strife. Rohit has long hair. Rohit is a long hair guy.